Hey guys, so I'm thinking I should start doing more videos about trailer maintenance and stuff too, because trailers get neglected, man. They do a lot of work and then they get parked and just neglected. They don't get greased as often as they should. They don't get anything as often as they should, so I'll probably start doing a little bit more about that. If you have a situation where you're dropping and hooking all the time, different trailers, you know, I get it. You don't want to put a lot of time into that trailer, but if you have your own, or if you pull the same trailer like a lot, like you hook up to a trailer and keep it for a few months, it's good to do some regular type maintenance on it. And just one thing that I haven't done in a while, I try to do it once a month, is just lubricating the slide rails on the sliders. All these customers now want the tandems back to unload and forward and back. I find myself sliding the tandems like sometimes 4 or 5 times a day. So them sliders need to be lubricated. Now you can use, it's all personal preference. Some people like to use spray grease. I like a drier type lubricant, the way it doesn't hold as much dirt, you know, attract dirt. But I found this Penray inner slide lubricant in the truck stop, and I needed to buy something anyway, so I'm gonna try this. It's made specifically for slide rails. It says a lot for like forklifts and stuff, but this is gonna work for our slide rails too. It was $5.99, I guess. I'm gonna give it a try and see how that works. All I'm gonna do is go under the trailer, spray on the inside, up underneath the rail, get it real nice, and then right now I got the tandems back, then I'll slide the tandems forward, and then just do that back area there, and then I'll slide the tandems back and forth a few times and just go shoot everything again. Like I said, I like to do this like once a month or so, and I'll be honest, I'm a little overdue. Shame on me, but you get busy, you forget. So I'll just go quick, show you how to do this, and then you can start doing it for yourself and take better care of your equipment. You can see these wear marks here. Need to lube all this up here. We got some wear marks all around there, all along there. We'll lube this baby up good. See, I got the tandems back, and then after I'm done here, I'll slide the tandems forward, do the rear end of the trailer there too. So yeah, just make sure you lube these up, keep everything in there moving nice. We'll slide them back and forth a few times, then I'll spray it all down again.